MKBHD panels review, grab or avoid. Today we're reviewing the MKBHD panels app, a unique wallpaper app inspired by the signature tech look and sleek designs of MKBHD. If you're looking to upgrade your device's aesthetic, this might be for you, so is it worth a download? Let's find out. The app's interface is clean, straightforward and easy to navigate, so there are no overwhelming ads in its new update or confusing menus. Wallpapers are designed with simplicity and tech-savvy users in mind, featuring clean lines, geometric patterns and vibrant colors. For the wallpaper's quality, it has high-resolution wallpapers with a modern, minimalist style. You'll find a selection of both dark and light mode wallpapers, perfect for OLED screens or anyone who enjoys a crisp, polished look on their devices. Customizable wallpapers for personal preferences, as you can switch between various design panels to match your home screen setup. And for the other feature, it has frequent updates, which means more fresh content regularly. For the pricing, the app is free to download, but it offers in-app purchases for premium wallpapers. So, if you're a fan of sleek, futuristic designs and love supporting quality content creators like MKBHD, this app is definitely worth a try. So grab it and let your voice stand out. And let your device stand out. If you like this review, thanks for watching. If you like this review, hit the like button and thanks for watching.